The intensified drive against loose firearms has paid off. In Cavite, gun owners with expired licenses or unlicensed firearms did not hesitate to heed the campaign. Alvin Baltazar reports.
85 assorted unlicensed firearms that has expired license permits were voluntarily surrendered by several politicians and gun owners to police authorities. The said firearms will temporarily be placed under the custody of the Cavite Police Provincial Office in Campan Leon Garcia in Imus, Cavite, as PNP Task Force SAFE is starting to intensify its campaign against loose firearms as part of its preparation for next year's election. Senior Superintendent Edwin Ernie, Task Group Commander of Cavite Police, is optimistic that more undocumented firearms will be turned over to them in the next coming days.
So, yung mga expired licenses will be para sa amin for safekeeping, and we will help them renew their licenses.
And as police authorities are decided to account all unrenewed gun licenses, police operatives went to several houses in Imus of gun owners believed to have failed to renew their gun permits. Subject of the PNP's Oplan Katok, a former barangay captain who owns two 9mm pistols and the concurrent barangay captain.
Actually, nirenew ko siya noong 2009. Hindi ko lang alam na expired na pala. So, nagkamali rin ako.
Hindi ko lang po sinasadya ko. Kaya minsan tayo, nakakalimutan pasensya na po ko sa dyan.
And based on the figures of the Cavite Police Provincial Office, there are 7,783 still unlicensed firearms in the province.
Continuous naman yung pagkakaroon natin ng loose firearm, lalong-lalo na yung mga organized crime group dyan. Continuous yung natin pagka-apprehend natin. May 18 pa namin yung checkpoint, kagaya nung sabi ni Colonel Ernie na magkakaroon kami ng enhanced checkpoint dito.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.